We're gonna take the Vagrant Vegan Show on the water today.
What do you know? The Vagrant Vegan Show.
Okay, so we got our friends here. There's Jordan. Up here we got Tyler. And that's a throne. Can you see that? Here's Al. What are we gonna do?
We're gonna go cook on the water and take the sailboat and go adventure.
Yeah! We are at Degnan Bay. Where's that?
Degnan Bay.
Degnan Bay. We got the Dognan. Jordan. We're gonna take all of this food that's in that skip the dishes bag and that tiny little dinghy right there. And we're gonna go out to the sailboat and go to another island and cook some food. And we're gonna take you with us. Lucky fuckers. Here's our other friends. This is Tyler.
Hello.
Where's Al?
She's coming. She's delicate sometimes, you know.
He just has really long legs and I can't catch up to him.
Here she is.
Hi.
Dirt squirrels for days.
Nice
squirrels
jugs.
for
Nice
days.
jugs you got there.
Huh?
It's a beautiful jug.
Yeah. It's nice jugs.
You like her jugs?
Yeah.
Beautiful
Little
jug.
jug, big jug.
Yeah, we're all that way.
You're a lonely sailor, and your soul is made of wind and rain, doubts and blame. I'm a weary pirate, and my heart is made of dust and grain and spoiled champagne. I've got troubles, I've got sins, I'm my worst enemy, but I've still got a lot to give. So I said, hey, don't you wanna come and run away with me? Hey, won't you come, and say by chance, don't you wanna make a man who...
Oh, Beyond Beef. Beyond Beef, all meat.
Yeah, that's a booty.
Have another pack of those, Jordan?
You got the barbecue to start? Yep. Yeah.
Jordan did it.
Nice.
This we're gonna make these burgers sexy.
Jordan, you hungry yet?
Starving.
Are you hangry?
Getting there.
Come and run away with me. Hey, won't you come and say by chance, don't you wanna make a man who fully understands? A sailor's heart, a sailor's heart. So I said, hey, don't you wanna come and run away with me? Hey,
So what do you think? That's very delicious.
Stop.
Looks amazing, actually. Looks absolutely delicious.
Have you had a Beyond Burger before?
No.
No.
Mm-hmm.
Tasty?
Yes, very good.
That's Saturday on the boat. It was a good day with friends and some food. I'm eating way too many Beyond Burgers these days. You guys needed to make that taste a little less great. But if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Smash the like button and share with your friends. And come back sometime. Or, you know, you could go outside and do your own damn thing. Peace.